Somewhere in the barren deserts of Nevada lies the most heavily guarded piece of land on Earth. Approach its borders, and you are immediately met with stark orange signs. The message is clear: do not enter. For decades, this classified facility has fueled the world's wildest imaginations. But what is America actually hiding inside Area 51? The story doesn't start with aliens. It starts with a dry salt flat called Groom Lake, chosen in the 1950s for one specific reason: absolute secrecy. The perimeter is heavily monitored. It starts with anonymous security guards in white trucks sit on distant hills, watching every single move. But the real security is invisible. Hidden motion sensors, underground detectors, and high-tech cameras track anyone who gets too close. The true origin of the base is rooted in the Cold War. The government needed a place to test aircraft that didn't officially exist. The story really begins with President Dwight D. Eisenhower. During World War II, he saw the efficiency of Germany's Autobahn network. When commercial pilots spotted this silver flash in the sky, they had no idea what it was. The UFO reports began to flood in. As technology advanced, so did the secrecy. In the 1960s, the facility began testing aircraft that could fly 3 times the speed of sound. Then came the stealth era. Engineers designed bizarre, triangular jets meant to completely vanish from enemy radar screens. These strange, dark flying triangles looked absolutely out of this world. And for the government, the alien rumors were actually a perfect cover story. It was better for the public to believe in flying saucers than to discover America's billion-dollar aviation secrets. But in 1989, the myth exploded. A man claiming to be a former base engineer went on television with a shocking story. He claimed the government wasn't just building planes. He said they were reverse engineering recovered alien technology. True or not, the story went viral. Area 51 instantly became a pop culture phenomenon, featured in movies, books, and video games. For decades, the government refused to even acknowledge the base existed. The silence only made the legends grow stronger. Finally, in 2013, a declassified document officially confirmed it. Area 51 was real, but it was strictly a flight test center. So what is happening there today? Satellite imagery shows the base is rapidly expanding, with massive new hangars being built. These buildings are large enough to house aircraft with wingspans bigger than commercial airliners. Aviation experts believe the base is now testing hypersonic drones, crafts that can travel across the globe in a matter of minutes. Others speculate it's the testing ground for advanced laser defense systems and next-generation stealth materials. We might also be seeing the birth of AI-controlled drone swarms, designed to communicate and fly perfectly in sync. Because of commercial satellites, workers at the base now have to hide their projects during the day and test them only in the dead of night. Sometimes, they even build fake cardboard structures on the runway to confuse foreign spy satellites orbiting above. The truth about Area 51 might be less about little green men and more about the incredible limits of human engineering. The technology flying above Groom Lake tonight won't be seen by the general public for another 20 or 30 years. It is a place where science fiction slowly becomes science fact. A factory that produces both cutting-edge aircraft and endless myths. Even with declassified documents, the extreme secrecy guarantees that we will never know the full story. And maybe that's exactly how they want it. The extreme secrecy of Area 51 is the ultimate security system. So the next time you look up at the night sky and see something you can't explain, just remember the Nevada desert.
Like and subscribe to Hexa Mind for this type of amazing videos. Your support inspires us to create more awesome content.